No, this is just a correction, I guess, to the original decision. So I can quickly just outline it, but I'm not certain that there will be.
Right.
Yeah, so apologies to be back here again after you thought we were all finished. Just when we were double checking or triple checking our mapping, we realised that the decision from the commissioners had not given an answer, I guess, on one particular submission, which looked at Kinloch. And if I have got a map here that I can pull up if you would like to see it, but when we look at Kinloch, it's in the shape of a butterfly, our structure plan area. And on the left-hand wing of the butterfly, there is a chunk of what's called Kinloch rural residential at the moment. And initially, we had proposed through the plan change that that would become rural lifestyle environment. Through submissions, Chills lodged a technical submission, which was very helpful, and they suggested that they thought there might be conflicts between those, the new rural lifestyle rules and the Kinloch structure plan. And our council planner agreed with that, and we recommended that it revert back to the Kinloch rural residential, so essentially stay as it is in the operative plan at the moment. But the decision didn't actually give us an answer on that piece of land. So what we did is went back to the commissioners and said we do need an answer on this so that we can respond. And so the decision has been amended with that response, and they have agreed with the submitter and with council that it revert back to the Kinloch rural residential environment, and that has been added into the decision. So it's just tidying up that which wasn't added, wasn't within the original decision that we had approved at the last council meeting.
Okay. No?
Straightforward.
Good. Yeah.
So maybe through you, Chair, I'll comment. This is not merely, this is a technical correction. It was an oversight being one of the commissioners. There was a large number of submissions in relation to blocks of land. This was one of several, and all this does today is correct that omission on behalf of the commissioners. So thanks, Hilary, for noticing that when we didn't.
Thank you very much, Councillor Taylor, for that submission. Yeah, you have to move then. Thank you. Moved by Councillor Lockton. The recommendation is up there. Thank you, Councillor Rankin. Second. Recommendation is up there. 1, 2, 3. Yep. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Aye. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Hilary.
Thank you.
Okay. That was that. Must be a real world record.
We just want to hear that closing cut here. That's what.
Yeah, we'll do the closing cutting here now. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Yeah, wate, ranga, yeah, wate. Yeah. Thank you very much, Councillor. Public. Please.